Hi, so I will be presenting my font system today, which I integrated into my animation system from last quarter. So we were required to like do these things, and I have done all of them, exported 4 different animations from 2 different skeletons. I have 2 different 3D rigid models, and I have 2D font system with dynamically changing string, and I don't have any memory leaks either. So just run and show that that's true. So here you can see my animations and the rigid models and the dynamically updating font and the normal font. And I can use these controls to switch between animations as well. Title and walk to. I press escape, memory tracking passed. So let me just jump into how I managed to parse this XML file and get the individual glyphs out. So all I did was use XML Reader, this library from Microsoft, and read the file, the same structure as in Space Invaders, and then added the individual glyph into a glyph manager. In the glyph itself, I have a graphic sprite. It even has a font object, and I basically set all the glyphs up front. And then in the game, I add fonts, and the font goes in and sets the font and the message, then the font sprite, uh, then the sorry, uh, then within the font sprite, um, uh, wait, sorry, um, then within the font sprite, I do the rendering here, and yeah, that the message gets updated and everything. So first I add the font, and then I set the font, and then I in the font sprite set method, this is just it just initially gets set to this, and the rendering goes through the message that is set, the individual letters of the message, and it basically updates, like finds the glyph first and then updates the font object associated with the glyph. So that is really how my font system works right now. Uh, Thanks for listening.